Yo, yo, friends and family, what it do? Yours truly, Joe Che, back with Season 1, Marketing Wednesday. We are super excited to jump into the value that we are providing today. Leveraging multiple platforms, all right? How are you going to manage Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, anything that you want to run? We're going to tell you how you can manage it and how you're going to set up a plan for your success. But first, I got to show you guys something. Not too shabby, right? Let's get into today's video, alright? So as you could see, we're moving along. We got a little bit of editing, some cuts, some stuff like that. And we're moving towards the future, alright? I told you we would be. I told you we'd be getting an intro. I told you we would be getting some editing. I told you that we were going to continue to grind and continue to make this daily show the best it can be. So thank you guys for being a part of it. Thank you guys for watching all 17, 18, I think this is 18th episode now. Yeah, 18th, season 1, episode 18, so 19th episode. And I'm super excited to give you guys the value you guys need. Mondays, Motivational Monday, Tuesdays, Technical Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Marketing Wednesdays, Opportunity Thursdays, and then Social Entrepreneur Fridays, where we interview social entrepreneurs. So you guys can catch me 1 day a week if you want. You can catch me 2 days a week. You can catch me 5 days a week. You guys can catch me whenever you want, and you know where to find me. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe button. Make sure to share on your Snapchats and your Instagram stories, because it will mean the world. All right, so leveraging multiple platforms can sometimes really seem like you're a chicken with your head cut off. You're running around, you're just posting willy-nilly content over here, over there, sometimes using similar things, sometimes not, but it's never really organized, and you never have one single vision in mind. Okay, so this video, we're going to be breaking down how you aren't going to be doing that, how you're going to be organized, how you're going to be gaining followers on every platform you use, how you're going to be taking big pieces of information and breaking them down into the exact pieces of content you need. And it's all through organization, all right? So the main platforms that you really should focus on are probably Instagram, number 1, and TikTok, number 1. If you're an influencer, if you're selling a product, something along those lines, those are the main social media platforms that you should be focusing on. If you're a more business professional, B2B, anything along those lines, it's probably Instagram / Facebook and then LinkedIn over TikTok. But TikTok and LinkedIn are really the main platforms right now that are really booming, that are really going off, and that are really giving you the kind of exposure and awareness that you need. They're the only 2 platforms that are actually giving you real organic reach, that are showing your videos whenever you post them on your feed to random people that don't even know you. First, seconds, and thirds. If you know what LinkedIn is, you know what that means. But literally. So if anybody knows it best, like, you probably even have friends who have made it big on TikTok, and it's really easy. All you have to do is just post content that you're passionate about. You have to be authentic and consistent. We already know the formula. But how do you leverage these different platforms and build your TikTok and build your YouTube and build your Instagram all at the same time? And so it's basically, you're going to be taking macro ideas. So just the first disclaimer, this is basically a spin-off of Gary Vee's macro-micro strategy. You're taking macro ideas and you're breaking it down into specific pieces of content for those platforms. So I'm not taking the credit. These are all tools. Everybody uses tools in the marketing land that have been around for hundreds, if not thousands of years, because the most basic tools win. You have to go back to the basics and just do it organized and do it systematically and not overcomplicate things. That's really your success mission, and not think, oh, how am I going to gain followers in the next 7 to 10 days? How about the next 7 to 10 months or the next 7 to 10 years? Because that's where my head is at. I don't care, like, I care about this daily show. I wouldn't care about this if I didn't care about this daily show. I wouldn't be putting in money into it. I wouldn't be editing this. I wouldn't be creating an intro. I wouldn't get the lights. I wouldn't get the camera. I wouldn't get the microphone equipment and stuff like that. But the thing is my vision is 5 years in the future. I'm literally creating this content to create more, like to use it in the future, to leverage my ideas to a whole nother level and to scale my mission to a whole nother level. So basically, organizing all of these platforms, you're gonna wanna break down what type of content you need. All right, so you need an Instagram post at least every day. What is your Instagram pattern? That is the most basic thing. And so going back to the basics, focus on one platform at a time. Instagram is going to be the best for you finding your brand, you finding your singular mission, you finding where you belong on social media. So start with Instagram. Get your bio all set up, get your names all set up, your logos, your profile, your organization of your profile as well if you want infographics and then hero posts and then product posts or something along those lines. But that's completely up to you, and we could definitely break down all of that information, what to post, what kind of content we use for the different platforms in another video. But we're just going over the basics of organization right now. Alright, so you need an Instagram post, alright? You need sales copy for your captions for your Instagram, okay? You need Reels for your Instagram. What are Reels though? Reels are also TikToks. So you can take your TikToks and you can just post them on Reels, or make Reels and post them on TikTok. Your sales copy is something you're writing in your caption, okay? It has to do with the post. You're trying to persuade, you're trying to create a story, a compelling story that people can follow, that people will relate to, that people will understand your product better. What is sales copy? What is LinkedIn? You can use your captions and your sales copy and tweak it a little bit and create a daily post on LinkedIn whenever you post an Instagram. You got 3 platforms right there by just creating an Instagram post and creating Reels. And so the kind of macro thing is that you're gonna want to pick ideas for the week. You're gonna want to pick an overall theme within your niche. So if you're marketing, if you only do social media marketing, focus on an Instagram week where you create all your content for TikTok, for LinkedIn, for Instagram, all surrounding how to scale your Instagram business. And then the next week, do how to scale your TikTok business. So all of your content is cohesive, so you just have to do research on one thing and then create multiple different pieces of creative for those different things. You just need to take a picture for your Instagram post. You need to film your TikTok. You need to create your sales copy for your caption and your LinkedIn. You need to just post your Instagram post on LinkedIn. And then you can even, if you want to go YouTube, you create a YouTube video and then you post your YouTube video on IGTV. All of these platforms are X's. They all cross over each other, they all intermingle, and they're meant to be used together. They're not meant to because they're all competitors, but we can use them together. Use your knowledge to leverage your abilities to multiple different platforms. It's not hard. And I've just explained it, I talked really fast, so go back and slow it down. But marketing is really easy when you go back to the basics, guys. When you just stay organized, stay single-minded, and don't stay single-minded, stay open-minded, and stay focused on your goal though. Focused on what message you're trying to get across, what single message you are marketing. It's that simple. It's if you are a CPA firm and you're selling accounting and you're trying to get more clients for that, get your logo and create an ad and create content based on your single mission statement and kind of your single ideas at the one time, and then kind of just create different content around that. You don't need to overcomplicate it because people aren't gonna, you don't want it to be the same picture every day, but people want similar branded content every day. They want similar things. They want to learn. If you're posting social media marketing, they want to know all the social media marketing and they want you to organize it. And they don't want to know that you're organizing it, but they want you to organize it so it's really easy for them to consume all of your content. Alright, so guys, it's really that simple. You guys know how to do marketing at this point. It's basics marketing, and if you don't, go back to the old videos because it's authenticity and consistency. Those are the 2 main things. It's work ethic, it's patience, it's all of these basic core values that we are going to break down in season 1 that are going to level you up overall. Alright, I'm not giving you guys any get-rich-quick hacks because there isn't any get-rich-quick hacks. I'm conditioning you guys to become top marketers, to excel in marketing for the rest of your life, to make money for a long-term success, okay? And to build something real. Alright? We're not trying to gain quick followers on Instagram. We're trying to do things the right way so we actually create a real following and we don't screw ourselves over in 3 to 5 years when stuff shifts. Because when stuff shifts and you don't have a real authentic audience, you lose your authentic audience. When you're authentic and you're consistent and people know you and people love you and people love your energy and people love the way you put yourself out there, that is when the audience sticks. That is when you become a winner. That's what's going to set you apart from a micro influencer, from you apart to a macro influencer. So it's that simple. Bounce pass to you. The ball is in your court. You can take this. You can shoot a Steph Curry 3. You can shoot a Dame Lillard end of the fourth quarter 3 for the win. Or you can just hold it. You can pull a J.R. Smith and forget what the time is, like most people do, and just forget about what we said and keep consuming the content and keep doing nothing. But I want you to take action. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, Opportunity Thursday. We're going to be breaking down something dope. I'll see you guys on Friday, and I'll see you guys all next week. Peace.